Hey guys, this is a quick video to show you how to do a grade passback that will allow your grades to flow from Canvas into PowerTeacher. It's not going to do it automatically. You have to have them shake hands. You need to tell Canvas to go into PowerTeacher and pull in your grade categories. So in PowerTeacher, if you go into your classes, you've got, just like mine, I've got classwork projects and discussions and how they're weighed. Even if you only have one type of assignment and everything is counted the same, you still need to pull that into Canvas so that your grades will be done correctly, or so that your grades will move into Canvas. So to do this, in your assignments, you click Assignment Settings, which is the snowman menu right here, and Import Assignment Groups. This icon that you see right here is going to be real important in a second, so pay attention. It looks kind of like a piece of paper with an arrow through it. Import Assignment Groups, and you can read this, but it's just saying that it's going to add the assignment groups from the SIS, which is PowerTeacher, and click Add. Success! It says that it's done it. Okay, I refreshed the page and now you can see that I have 3 new assignment groups in my assignments. I have discussions, classwork, and project. If you remember, those were the categories that I use in PowerTeacher. So now, if I've already got a few assignments, I need to move them into the correct assignment group. So Upcycle Project is a project. It's just going to go right here. Tell Me About Yourself is a discussion, and it's going to go right here. And Milestones in STEM and Significant People in STEM are going to go right here. Now, I have no assignments in here, and from now on, when I create assignments in Canvas, I will automatically put them into the correct group so that in post to PowerTeacher. When it's time for me to send my grades over, I can go to Actions and Sync to Post Grades, and then I'll need to sync to PowerTeacher Pro, and the grades will show up in PowerTeacher. That's it. I hope that's helpful.